Early Saturday morning. No matter what it takes, this is getting finished this weekend. Tracking down some electrical issues. Got all the windows lined up nice and pretty. Got the top finished 100%. Gonna be taking the dashboard out, replacing the dash harness and the body harness on this car. Spent hours with the power probe trying to track down windows, door locks, power mirrors, trunk release, a couple of circuits that aren't functioning quite properly. So instead of wasting time trying to track down exactly where the problem is, I'm just gonna yank it all out, replace it with another one from the same year that I know I can trust. This old car, she sure is pretty, but boy, she has fought us tooth and nail. Almost done. So that's what Saturday is going to look like around here. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And maybe a little shop cleaning is in order. Maybe a little. Kind of getting out of control around here. Up before the sun. Rehabbing these Fox bodies every day. Bye guys. Have a great weekend.